Welcome back to my channel, IELTS Made Easy. So like I spoke last time, today we would get started with IELTS writing. But before that, I just wanted to tell you that all IELTS aspirants out there, try to learn at least 5 new words daily. That's very important. And you can do that in various ways, right? You can watch news, watch any English TV serial or any movie, or refer to your dictionary, be it paper or online, or just go through your newspaper. So there are loads of ways where you can learn few new words. So try to learn at least 5 new words daily and try to write it on your diary. So that would definitely improve your vocabulary. So now, who all are watching me, please do watch this video till the end because it has some important information. And also, if you are an IELTS aspirant, well and good, but if you aren't, then please share this video with somebody who you know is preparing for IELTS or going to take IELTS soon. So with this, let's get started with IELTS writing. So as you know, IELTS writing is a bit different than basic English writing. That I would be covering in the next video. In this video, I would only touch base on the different tasks that we have in IELTS writing. So let's get started with IELTS general test takers. So for general, IELTS writing has 2 tasks. Task 1, that is all about letter writing, and task 2, which is all about essay writing. Task 1, letter writing. So general test takers out there, you'll be asked to write a letter. That might be an informal letter or a formal letter or a semi-formal letter. Yes, we all have written these letters back in our school, but here there are some rules and some set of standards that we need to follow while we are writing letters, right? So now coming back to essay I'll touch base later. Let me again tell you about academic. So for IELTS academic test taker, you again have 2 tasks, writing task 1 and writing task 2. Writing task 1 has report writing and writing task 2 has essay writing. So the report writing, you'll be given a line graph or a line chart, a bar graph, pie chart, etc. And you need to just write what you see in those diagrams. And it's a kind of report writing. Yes, we all have done it when we were back in school and in college as a part of statistics. But here we need to apply some rules, some standards, because this is not a general English writing. This is IELTS writing test. Those things I would be covering in the next video. Now coming to essay, which is common to both general and academic. So yeah, we have written essays throughout our student life, and here also we'll be doing the same. However, again, a different set of rules and a different set of standards and guidelines we need to follow while we are appearing for IELTS writing task 2, which is essay writing. Alright, so I hope this is clear. So for IELTS general, IELTS task 1 is letter writing. For IELTS academic, the IELTS writing task 1 is report writing. Now, the IELTS writing task 2 is essay writing for both general and academic. So the type of essays that you guys can get can be agree, disagree, discuss both views, problem statement, 2-part questions, and advantages and disadvantages. So you guys will be getting 1 essay. It can be from either of them. We would be discussing all that in detail in my later videos. One more thing that I wanted to touch base today is that you need to write at least 150 words for IELTS writing task 1 general, which is letter, and IELTS Writing Task 1 Academic, which is report. And you need to write at least 250 words for IELTS Writing Task 1 and not Task 1, I'm sorry. You need to write at least 250 words for IELTS Task 2, which is essay writing, common for both general and academic. So you might be thinking, okay, 150 is the at least word, at least what we have to write. So what are the maximum number of words? So you can touch base till 180 to 200 for task 1, letter for general, report for academic. However, you can extend between 280 to 300 for your writing task 2, which is essay, and that is for both general and academic, right? So guys, don't think writing is an impossible thing. It cannot be achieved if you guys know the tactics, if you guys know the rules, if you guys know those minute things that needs to be taken into consideration. I'm sure you would definitely get good band. I myself got 6 in academic. It was a computer based test. I was pretty okay. But you won't believe, guys, I got 7.5 in general in my paper based. I think being an old school student, I just wrote whatever came into my head very properly in a flow, taking every rule into consideration, and that's why the examiner was pretty much impressed, and he or she gave me 7.5. But 6 is also not bad. So guys, don't think writing is tough or difficult. It's just that you need to take few things into consideration while you're writing. So to sum up with, IELTS writing is divided into 2 tasks, task 1 and task 2. For general, task 1 is letter, and for academic, task 1 is report writing. And for task 2, for general and for academic, it's the essay writing that is common for both. Alright, last but not the least, I'll just show you this book, which I got when I had enrolled for or registered for the academic. So when you register yourself through IDP, you'll get this book. I would keenly urge everybody to just practice out of whatever time you get, because this would definitely add on to your confidence and also play a role in time management. So it has all the 4 modules: speaking, writing, reading, listening. So I have for general also. I need to see where it is, but I quickly got hold of this academic and I thought to share it across with you guys. So once you register, this would be courier to your home address or whatever address you key in there. So once you get it, see if you can practice few samples. That would definitely add on. Alright guys, and one more thing that I would like to touch base is for writing. Definitely task achievement plays a key role when it comes to assigning bands. So please see that you complete your letter and essay for general, report and essay for academic when you are taking the IELTS writing test. And see that you have at least touched base that threshold words which I just told you, which is 150 for task 1 for both general and academic, and 250 for task 2, which is essay writing, common for both general and academic. So these 2 things you have to take care, guys, and I'll touch base on different tasks now. I'll start with letter writing, then I'll go to report, and then I'll conclude with essay. And I'll see you again in my next video where I'll be covering few things in details. So till then, stay tuned and take care of yourself. Cheers. Bye.